Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig for you guys that I did get from Premium Lace Wig. This wig is their loose wave. I'm just going to read the specs for you guys. So this is their Brazilian version here. The hairline is a 22 inch, so it is pretty long. The texture is a loose wave. The hair color, natural color, hair density 130. Lace color medium brown. So this unit does come with the silk base on the inside, which makes your unit just appear a little bit more natural and looking like scalp when somebody is over your head and you're bending down. And you know, people like to be nosy, they like to be all up in your head. So once you're bending over and you know somebody's like wondering like, damn, is that a wig or not, on top of it, it just looks like scalp. So that's kind of like what the silk base does help to do. This is the wig. This is their loose wave pattern, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on. So this one doesn't really come customized or anything. Like, as you guys can see, the hairline there is pretty straight looking, so I am gonna have to go in and customize the front just to make it appear more natural. And yeah, so that's the first thing that I will be doing with this unit. I'm just gonna go in and customize the front there so that way it can look like it's going out my scalp, because right now it's definitely giving wiggy vibes, and that's not what we want at all. You do have to customize the front. much the hair. Now that I'm finished with installing it, this hair is so gorgeous. If you do purchase this hair, you're definitely gonna have to customize it because it does not come pre-customized. It comes with absolutely nothing done, so you really have to do all the work. You have to customize it just for it to look natural. You definitely have to pluck it. So yeah, I literally just plucked like the centerpiece. I didn't really pluck the ends because I know I was gonna wear the hair down, so I did not pluck the ends. So I just plucked the centerpiece and at the middle part, and yeah, this is pretty much the hair, you guys. I really love the hair. So far, no shedding, no tangling. It's also really triddling, so it's not giving me thin vibes or nothing like that. So I'm really liking this. The curl pattern is really nice also. I did try to get like the parting space as straight as I can. I told you guys before, I am not the best when it comes to like making a straight part. I just don't know why it does not come out looking right. But yeah, overall this is the hair. Again, this hair is from Premium Lace Wig. Now, like I said, this is their loose wave unit with the silk base top. So I also did add a little bit more baby hairs than I usually would on my regular units. I don't know, I was like just feeling that kind of vibe. You know, there's certain days when it's like, okay, like you know for a fact that your unit does not need any baby hairs, and there's just like other days where it's like, okay, definitely need some. So this was like one of those units where I'm just like, it needs the baby hairs to just like pull it off and bring it together. And yeah, overall the hair is really soft, no shedding, no tangling. I'm loving this. The hair is gorgeous, you guys. And for 130 density, the hair is extremely full, so I'm really loving that. Also, they do have their sale going on right now, so you do not want to miss their sale. They have great hair for really affordable prices, and I definitely think that you guys should check them out. I will have everything listed down below in the description box on where you can purchase this wig. Also, I do have a makeup tutorial on this look if you guys are interested in, you know, recreating this look. I'll have that listed down below as well. That's pretty much about it. I will have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys. That way you guys can purchase this hair. Not sure if I have a discount code or not, but if I do, I will leave that listed down below as well. That is pretty much about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this unit. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.